Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video. Today I am going to be perming my sister's hair. And we're going to be doing a flat wrap instead of spiral wrap using white rods. So let's get into it. First we're going to shampoo her. Yay!
You turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie.
Am I allowed to sleep?
If I zone out, just put in the video. She's pregnant. Can't help it.
Yeah. Oh, we need to do the name video.
Okay.
But you'll have to actually talk. You're like, maybe I don't want to do that.
Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
Middle part done.
That didn't take long.
Even.
Spraying. Right in my face.
What's with my makeup? Being on live television.
Never been on live television before. Oh man, I totally butchered that.
I've obviously never been on live television before.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the
Well, Ryla's cute too.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I like that too, but that's not the thing.
These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get out of my head.
I know.
What?
Unicorn.
Unicorn? Kendra will love it.
I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey.
Also, April thinks that Kinsley is not that close to Kendra. What are you laughing about? What? What? April's listening. I don't know why she thought I was gonna say something
I
else.
thought you were gonna tell me April thinks it's the name of unicorn.
Nice. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be a hairdresser like Mommy and April?
I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Other product on it, and then let it sit for a little bit, and then take out the curlers.
Take out the paper and the trash.
I'll
Do,
take
do, 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 do. Yuckity yuck.
And then
Honey, I'm a, yeah. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it. We make it. staring at you. So I'm crazy.
It looks really
Looks like I have a wig on.
It looks good with your face. I was just looking in the mirror. It looks really good.
Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me.
We just rinsed it, and this is what it looks like just rinsed. And now we're gonna wait 48 hours to then style it, and I'll show you the end results.
I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.